Globalization is one of the most powerful forces shaping our modern world. It refers to the increasing interconnectedness of nations through trade, communication, culture, and technology. In this presentation, we will explore its effects on our economy, society, culture, and environment.
Globalization has transformed economic worldwide. Countries can trade goods and services across borders, creating new opportunities for businesses and workers. For example, a smartphone may be designed in the United States, manufactured in China, and sold in the Philippines. This interconnectedness supply chain boosts growth, but it also creates challenges such as job outsourcing and economic inequality.
Globalization also influences culture. People can enjoy food, music, and films from different parts of the world. This cultural exchange promotes diversity and understanding. However, it can also lead to the loss of local tradition as global trends dominate. Balancing global culture with local identity is an important challenge.
Globalization connects people through technology. Social media allows us to communicate instantly with friends across continuous education, and knowledge are shared globally, giving students access to international learning resources. Yet, this rapid connection can also spread information and create social pressure. Globalization impacts the environment, increase production and transportation, contribute to population and climate change. At the same time, globalization enables countries to cooperate on environmental issues such as renewable energy and conservative projects. It is both a challenge and an opportunity for sustainability.
In conclusion,